Hey y'all, I'm at the Auto Spa Car Wash here in Clever, Missouri. There's a D&S Quicksilver up here. I have with me a special guest. This is Midwest Sirens and Trains.
Hey guys.
So yeah, we're doing the top wash here. I'm just putting my quarters in now. This is kind of tedious work. So, let's go and see what this is all about. Hopefully I don't run into their rails because this is kind of hard to do. Undercarriage is working.
It's a good thing.
Good God. So yeah, here we go. It's gonna move back. It's gonna size this the vehicle first. The window's gonna leak like crazy, by the way. It's gonna be funny. Good Lord. And here we go. Doing pre-soak now. Okay, apparently we're cleaning the wheels first. There we go. Kind of the boring part. Just sitting and waiting. It should blast us pretty soon.
I'm sure it will.
Oh yes. Oh, I lied.
More pre-soak?
Yeah, probably more pre-soak. I might be doing the wheel blaster. Yep. Getting the wheels clean. I think we're about to do, yeah, this is triple foam. I forgot these do it in a different order. It smells good.
It does.
There it is. Oh, look at all the water. Oh my gosh. It's
Wow.
so bad. It'll get worse in just a second. Nothing here. No, I don't think so. I need to get that fixed. Oh my gosh. It's still going, oh my word. Ooh, Lord. God bless. That's a problem. Big problem.
Big problem.
That's my new decal doing. It's doing alright. Spot free rinse. We're almost done.
Well, I can say one thing. It looks like, from the way it's going, it's doing a good job.
Oh yes, these typically do a very good job. Not spot free rinse. I think that might be some kind of clear coat protectant.
Looks like it.
It smells like wax.
Mm-hmm.
This should be spot free rinse. Oh yeah. Oh Lord, here we go. These dryers don't typically do very good. We'll see. All the water in the back.
Wow.
Wow, look at that. Sure is getting that out of there. Okay. Alright, y'all. I guess that's it. Dryers are still going. Okay, now they're done. So, yeah, gotta put my antenna back on top of the truck, but what do you think?
Very cool.
Yeah? See how it did. Okay, bye.
All right, bye, y'all.